Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So guys, as from the thumbnail, you people know that today Honor has announced its two new smartphones. So first one is Honor 100 and second one is Honor 100 Pro. So today in this video, we are going to talk about the Honor 100 Pro. I will tell you its awesome features and price, and lastly I'll share my opinion about this handset with you. Obviously handset is looking good from my point of view, so let's find out whether this handset is really good or not. So before starting this video guys, please subscribe to this channel to get more such awesome videos in future. So let's get started. So let's start with the screen size. So Honor 100 Pro offers 6.78 inches Full HD Plus quad curved OLED display, which is a 2600 nits of peak brightness display, and comes with 1.07 billion of colors, and also comes with 435 ppi of pixel density, which is really good thing. Now coming to the processor, this handset offers octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is based on 4nm based chipset and comes with Adreno 740 GPU. Now guys, let's move on to the RAM and ROM. This handset offers two different RAM models with three different storage options. So 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM, and comes with 256GB storage, 512GB storage, and 1TB is also there. Now, and coming to the Android version, this comes with Android 13 based OS. Now coming to the 5G guys, this handset comes with 5G SA and SA support. Now let's move to the cameras guys. This handset offers a triple rear setup. So first sensor here is a Sony 50MP Sony IMX906 sensor, which comes with aperture of f1.95, which is really awesome sensor, and comes with a secondary 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and comes with last 32MP telephoto camera, and comes with hybrid zoom also, which is really good thing. And now front is a dual front setup. So first is a 50MP Sony sensor again, which is good, and comes with secondary 2MP depth sensor. Now coming to the fingerprint sensor guys, this handset comes with in-display fingerprint sensor. Now guys, coming to the battery, this handset offers 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and with 100 watt of fast charging support and 66 watt for wireless charging, which is really good thing. Now guys, coming to the pricing. So starting price of this handset is $435 US, which is roughly around 40,000 Indian rupees. And now let's jump to my opinion. So I think guys, for the price, this handset is looking good. Specifications are really awesome, features are really awesome. So let's see guys when this handset get launched. So till then, thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section below, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you guys.